Hello everyone. Here a, b and c are three positive integers and a into b into c is equal to 120, a plus bc is equal to 34, ab plus c is equal to 26, and we need to find the value of a, b and c. So let's take this first equation. A into b into c is equal to 120. Send this a to this side. So ab is equal to 120 by c. That implies if we substitute the value of AB in this last equation, AB plus C, it will become 120 by C, which is value of AB, plus C is equal to 26, which is 120 plus C square is equal to 26C. That implies C square, bring this 26C to this side, minus 26C plus 120 is equal to 0. Write this minus 26 as minus 6 and minus 20. That implies C square minus 6C minus 20C plus 120 is equal to 0. Here take C as common. C minus 6 minus here take 20 as common. The remaining is C minus 6 equal to 0. That implies again take 6 minus C minus 6 as common. C minus 6 into C minus 20 is equal to 0. From this we can say C is equal to 6, C is equal to 20. Here we got two values of C. C is equal to 6 and C is equal to 20. Take this first value and substitute it in C is equal to 1, AB is equal to 120 by C is there. Substitute here. So it will become, for C is equal to 6, implies AB is equal to 120 by C. That implies AB is equal to 120 by 6. That is equal to 20. So we can write this as B is equal to, send this A to denominator, 20 by A. This is one value of B. Similarly, for the C is equal to 20, substituted in the equation AB is equal to 120 by C. That implies AB is equal to 120 by 20. That is equal to 6. That implies similarly send again A to this side. That implies B is equal to 6 by A. So for C is equal to 6, the value of B is equal to 20 by A. For C is equal to 20, the value of B is equal to 6 by A. Now take these values of C is equal to 6 and B is equal to 20 by A and substitute in the equation given to us, which is A plus BC is equal to 34 is there. That implies A plus value of B is 20 by A, value of C is 6. First combination we are substituting, that is equal to 34. That implies A square plus 6 into 2, 12, 120 is equal to 34A. Bring this 34A to this side. That implies A square minus 34A plus 120 is equal to 0. Write this 34A as sum of 4A and 30A. That implies A square minus 4a minus 30a plus 120 is equal to 0. That implies take a as common, a minus 4 minus 30 as common, a minus 4 equal to 0. That implies take a minus 4 as common, a minus 4 into a minus 30 is equal to 0. From this we can write a is equal to 4 and a is equal to 30. So these are the values of a we got when we substituted first combination of c is equal to 6 and b is equal to 20 by a. There is one more combination is there, c is equal to 20 and b is equal to 6 by a. Again substitute this combination also in the same equation. A plus bc is equal to 34 plus a plus, this time b is 6 by a, c is 20 is equal to 34. That implies a square plus 120 is equal to 34a. That implies a square minus 34a plus 120 is equal to 0. This equation is the same equation which we got when we substituted the first combination. So this equation and this equation both are same. So we will get the same values for a. A is equal to 4 and a is equal to 30. Simply we can ignore this equation. So the value of a is 4, a is equal to 30. So finally what we got from this is that a is equal to 4, b which is 20 divided by a, where c is equal to 6. This is one combination and a is 30, b is 20 by a, when c is 6. This is one combination. Another combination is that 4, b is 6 by a, c is 20. This is one combination. A is 30. When b is 6 by a, the value of c is 30. It is simply for value of c is 20, we got this combination of a and b. For value of c is equal to 20, we got this combination of a and b. For value of c is equal to 6, these two combinations we got. Here we can see value of a is 4. It will become, this combination will become 4 into 20 by 4, 5, 6. Similarly, this combination will become 20 by 30, which is 2 by 3. 30, 2 by 3 and 6. Second combination. Similarly, 4 comma 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2, comma 20 by 4, 5, 30, 1 by 5, comma 20. These are the 4 combinations. But in the question, it is given that a, b, c are positive integers. But here we can see it is a fraction, not an integer. This is also fraction and this is also fraction. So we can ignore these combinations and our final answer is 4, 5, 6. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6.